Peace and blessings be upon those who follow the correct guidance. Hey, once something come to you, you can't say I don't know it. I never heard it. You know, on another note, you can order all your good herbs, get a consultation, or just check out my brother website, Brother Yaki Awaken. It's right here, www.yakiawaken.com. Get your good herbs. Start cleansing that garbino out your system. Cleanse the blood and the organs. Cleanse the nerves. And your colon. And y'all hit my brother up, man. Y'all key. I'm about to send y'all this video though. I'm press play on this video. Y'all check it out, man. All that garbino, man, is killing us. It's killing us slowly. It's slow, painful death. You see all your people get sick, everybody swelling up, getting so big. It's because they doping it up, literally, with poisons and toxins and other chemicals. But I'm going to play this video. Y'all check it out, man. Leave comments in the section below. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what's on your mind. Let me know what you think. All right, I'm out.
Look what's happening to our food.